1,06,750 positive cases of COVID-19 reported in India. 61,149 people are undergoing treatment at designated hospital and 42,298 people have been discharged. 3,303 people have died due to the deadly virus in the country so far. PM Modi claimed that cabinet meeting held on Wednesday laid special focus on the current woes of migrants across the entire country and stated that their issues will be resolved soon. And he also spoke about the easier availability of credit, senior citizens welfare, which were some of the key issues which was discussed in the meet. 67 new COVID-19 cases in Karnataka. The total numbers now stands at 1,462. 556 people have been discharged, 864 active cases, and 41 people have been declared dead. Passengers continue to wait for buses at Majestic bus station. People wait on the platforms for buses with their kids. Former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah slams Law Minister Madhuswamy, says Madhuswamy should step down from his post if he cannot carry out the responsibilities that has been entrusted to him by the state government of Karnataka. Waqf Board advises the Muslim community not to hold mass prayers. Directive issued to curb spread of COVID-19. Directive issued as a precautionary measure to prevent the deadly virus as some stray incidents of mass prayer was reported. Domestic flight services to resume from the 25th of May. Services to resume ahead of completion of lockdown in a calibrated manner. Pratap Simha takes to social media, questions whether Mysuru should allow flight services or not. Mysuru MP sought opinions from people during his live interaction to know about the pulse as to what they need and whether it is apt for the airways to remain open. Cyclone Amphan wreaks havoc in West Bengal and Odisha. 5,500 houses damaged and 12 people dead in West Bengal and Odisha too. Several people have been injured and condition is worsening across the coastal areas and over 3 lakh people have been evacuated. Wuhan, the original epicenter of COVID-19, bans eating wild animals for 5 years. 5-year rule brought in after global coronavirus pandemic was linked to the city's wet markets.